He's like, yeah, this rocks.
Piece of shit.
Are you kidding me?
I've never fucking seen anything like this in my
This
life.
guy is just still. He's surfing.
I think I just got car taxed.
He's like, go my way, buddy.
We're getting video.
Yeah.
Oh
I can't
my
believe this.
goodness. Austin, there is a pigeon on the dashboard, and he's coming with us. Taco pizza.
Hey guys. He's like, hey, nice truck. Hey buddy. Got any food? Got $1? What's up? What next?
Office space.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, Pete, you'd be totally delivered on the scenic route home.
Yeah, I'm here to help. You do believe that, don't
This
you, Danny?
this pigeon is
Here to help.
chilling, and now if you look, we've got a Cuban parade
Great.
crossing the street now, deep in the background.
We're in America. The only problem is you gotta worry about the people in front of me.
Give him some space.
I won't even watch.
It's, it's looking pretty clear. Looks like this guy's got a free ride somewhere.
Alright, hold on.
Oh,
85, he finally took off.
Where'd he go?
he's right behind us.
What do you
Are
mean
you
right
sure?
behind us?
Yeah.
I didn't see it. Like I think he's on the roof
Following
holding
us?
on.